Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics. Make sure the TV input is set to the Roku HDMI port and that the TV supports the resolution you want. Once done, power cycle both devices, unplug for 10 seconds and plug back in because this clears transient handshake errors. Next, go to Settings, then Display Type on your Roku. This is where you force a resolution or use auto detect. Do that now so you can apply precise size and resolution adjustments in the next steps. Once you are in display type, change from auto to a fixed resolution like 720p, 1080p, or 4K. This forces a stable signal and often fixes mismatch scaling. Then open Advanced Picture Settings to adjust overscan, position, and screen fit. You can nudge the image left or right and trim edges so UI elements align with the TV frame. Also toggle HDR or color profiles, because some TVs change scaling behavior with HD. Finish by confirming firmware is current on both Roku and TV. Update and then restart both so settings take effect. If the screen still misaligns, swap the HDMI cable or try a different HDMI port because physical bandwidth or port firmware can cause scaling issues. If nothing works, perform a display type reset, or as a last resort, a factory reset on Roku. Usually this restores correct edit negotiation. Troubleshooting tip: if the picture crops only on apps, check that app-specific settings or app updates aren't forcing a different aspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.